All right, listen up, my future millionaires, because what I'm about to tell you might just change how you see the world. Artificial intelligence isn't some future tech anymore. It's here, it's learning fast, and it's already replacing humans at work. Jobs that existed for decades are vanishing overnight. But don't panic. I'm not here to scare you. I'm here to show you which jobs AI will replace soon, why it's happening, and how you can actually use it to get ahead instead of being left behind. So grab your drink, turn up the volume, and stay till the end, because the people who understand this now will control the future.
My future millionaires? I remember when people said computers would never replace typewriters. Then they said the internet was just a trend. Now look around you. Everyone lives inside their screens. Every generation faces a moment like this, a moment where the world shifts. You either adapt or you fade away.
Let's start with the first big wave, jobs that are already being replaced. Number one, customer support. AI chatbots like ChatGPT, Gemini, or even Meta's bots are answering millions of messages daily. They're faster, cheaper, and never take a lunch break. Most companies use them to reply instantly, recommend products, and even solve technical problems. So if your job involves typing the same answers all day, you're at risk. But if you learn how to train or manage these bots, you become valuable instead of replaceable. Number two, data entry and admin work. Copying, pasting, filling forms, tracking numbers. AI loves that stuff. Microsoft's Copilot or Google's AI tools can handle entire spreadsheets in seconds. Think about it. What used to take a team of 5 can now be done by one person with AI. Number three, cashiers and basic retail jobs, self-checkout machines, Amazon Go stores, delivery robots. AI is removing friction from physical shopping, and that means fewer humans in the chain. The next wave hits the offices. Junior accountants, tax preparers, loan officers, basic paralegals, and entry-level data analysts. AI is already doing the repetitive parts, reconciling books, flagging errors, drafting simple contracts, and scoring loan applications. The role doesn't disappear. It shifts. The person who knows the numbers and knows how to interpret AI output becomes priceless, validate AI results, explain them to others, and build systems around them. That's how you move from I do tasks to I solve problems. That's the career upgrade the market will pay for.
You know, my future millionaires, when I was young, a good job meant security. Now a good job means adaptability. Don't be scared of losing the old world. Be excited to build the new one. Remember this. When machines take over boring jobs, creators rise. Because machines can't dream, but you can.
Here's where it gets interesting. Even creative jobs aren't safe anymore. Writers, designers, editors, even actors. AI is learning to do creative work too. Midjourney can create stunning images in seconds. Runway Gen 2 can turn text into full videos. 11 Labs can clone voices so perfectly that you wouldn't tell the difference. But here's the truth. AI doesn't create, it imitates. It still needs a human brain to tell it what's beautiful, emotional, or powerful. So instead of asking, will AI replace me? Ask, will I learn to use AI before others do? Because those who master these tools will create faster, cheaper, and better, and they'll dominate the market. You could write a book in a week, build a business with no employees, or make YouTube videos that look like Hollywood. That's not science fiction anymore. It's happening right now. The entertainment and media shake-up creative work is fragmenting. Script interns who churn out first drafts, junior editors who do cut and paste, generic voiceover artists, and routine content moderation. Those parts are being automated. Tools can generate background footage, write ad copy, and do quick audio edits. The human edge is authenticity, nuance, and emotional specificity. The storyteller who crafts a unique voice, or the director who uses AI to prototype faster and then adds human depth, those creators will stand out. The cheap, repeatable parts get automated. The risky, original parts stay human and valuable.
My future millionaires? People used to dig for gold with shovels. Today, the new gold is data, and your shovel is AI. But remember this, the tools don't make you rich. Your mindset does. You can give two people the same tool. One builds an empire, the other wastes time scrolling. Choose wisely.
AI isn't your enemy. It's your best coworker if you know how to use it. Doctors are diagnosing diseases in minutes. Lawyers are drafting documents in seconds, marketers are creating ads that convert overnight, and freelancers, they're using AI to handle 10 clients at once. The smartest people in the world right now aren't fighting AI, they're collaborating with it. That's the new reality. If you learn prompt engineering, automation, or data tools, you'll be 10 steps ahead of 90% of people still pretending AI doesn't affect them. Here's something most people still don't realize. The AI revolution isn't coming, it's already here. In China, robots are making clothes faster than entire human factories. In the US, McDonald's is testing fully automated restaurants. And in Africa and Latin America, young people are using AI to build online businesses from their bedrooms. This is no longer about geography, it's about mindset. Those who learn faster earn faster. And those who wait, they'll be replaced by someone who didn't. Local jobs, global competition, AI flattens borders. A local tutor, translator, or call center agent is now competing with people who combine AI plus low cost everywhere. Companies hire the person who uses AI to scale, not necessarily the person in the next town. Local service jobs must add unique value, hyperlocal knowledge, live emotional intelligence, or niche domain experience. If you're a tutor, build microcourses that AI can't easily copy. If you do repairs, document your exclusive process and reputation online. Geography used to protect jobs. Now, differentiation does. Right now, AI is learning your preferences, your voice, even how you think. In the next few years, it'll know your strengths and weaknesses better than your boss does. That means jobs won't just be replaced, they'll be custom built around AI. Imagine an assistant that predicts what you need before you say it, a teacher that adapts to your learning style, a system that manages your finances automatically while you sleep. This isn't the end of human work. It's the start of human AI fusion, where the smartest humans use machines to multiply their impact. 5 skills that make you AI proof. If you want a concrete start, focus on 5 skills: systems thinking, seeing how pieces fit together, prompt engineering, getting consistent results from AI, domain expertise, narrow, deep knowledge models don't have, emotional intelligence, humans still connect with humans, and creativity plus synthesis, combining ideas into something new. Practice a small drill for each skill this week, and you'll be ahead of most people. So, what's it gonna be, my future millionaires? Are you gonna be scared of change? Or are you gonna ride the wave? Because one thing's for sure, AI won't stop. It's moving faster every single day. You can cry about it, or you can profit from it. In my next video, I'll show you which jobs AI will make more powerful, the ones that'll explode in demand because of this revolution. If you want to see that, drop a comment saying, "I'm ready, rich grandpa." Stay hungry, stay curious, and as grandpa always says, don't wait for the future, build it.